There you. The submission.
ODPP that E020 shillings at July 2026.
Comrades, viva! Viva! Down with Sheria Mbaya, down! Down! Down with charges Mbovu, down! Down!
The purported charge that was to be brought before him, a charge, an allegation of treason, is a charge that is supposed to make him stronger. And therefore, Bob, do not cow. You've seen a lot. You've gone through a lot from Uganda, here in Kenya. But we pray that everything shall be well. Continue with the spirit. The journey is one.
What happened to Bob Njagi tells you how rotten the government system is. Kidnappings are still going on, killings are still going on, and yet they pretended to compensate without justice.
The nature of the Kenyan state, where the police and the state can take somebody to court, arrest somebody on trumped-up charges. You heard the whole story. That Bob Njagi has been in custody without a charge and without any investigations which have been concluded. That is the true story of the Kenyan state.